Welcome back. It is 6:24 now. The state of Michigan is reporting $45 million in marijuana taxes and licensing revenue. And with some of that money, they're going to use it to fund a clinical trial on how marijuana could help veterans who are suffering with PTSD. Reporter Doug Reardon has the story of the impact it's had on one veteran.
Joined the Army at 19.
Derek Cox paid a heavy price for serving his country. A proud Army veteran, Cox spent 7 years with the 101st Airborne, but now suffers, as so many of his fellow vets do, from PTSD.
You don't go to Baghdad as a grunt and not see stuff.
And what should have been the easiest part, coming home, proved to be only the start of darkness.
You don't realize the symptoms are setting in until it's way too late. The next thing you know, I was doing drugs, I was drinking heavily, trying to fight all the time.
Cox came home in 2010, his symptoms so severe he was placed on a regimen of pills that almost caused his liver to fail. He was even placed on a transplant list for a time, and the medication making him feel sluggish, zombie-like in his words.
You feel numb to everything, the good, the bad. Nothing makes you happy anymore.
Cox struggled that way for almost 10 years, until a few months ago, when the state of Michigan opened recreational marijuana sales. Cox, with a little coaxing, gave it a try, and it worked immediately.
This has only been a couple months for you.
Yeah, and I've been able to come off antidepressants. I've been able to only use my muscle relaxers or pain meds in a severe thing. It's not a cure-all, but it is a much better help than any pills that I've been on.
And Cox has high hopes that other veterans might soon be saying the same. Over the next 2 years, Michigan's marijuana regulatory agency will spend $40 million in marijuana revenue on a clinical study to track the effects of cannabis on veterans with PTSD. Cox says he already knows what they'll find.
It's helped me calm down. It's helped me listen to my wife to just say, honey, it was just the ice maker. It was just the dryer turning off. I'd rather sit here and laugh like an idiot or go to sleep than deal with the traumas that come back and haunt you at night.
And for what Cox has seen in his 11 years as a retired combat veteran, the study can't come soon enough.
I'm incredibly excited. I have been to too many of my own friends' funerals for giving in to suicide caused from the PTSD. I have struggled with that myself. I still struggle with it.
Doug Reardon, Fox 17 News.